Coming up on this episode of Speed and Shine, presented by America's Preferred Home Warranty. So where'd you get the car from?
We got it from Don Marshall in Jackson, Michigan.
So did you have this a particular car in mind, or did you just go car shopping?
We just went over to his shop in Jackson and looked for what looked the coolest. And this is what we stumbled upon.
Yeah. And what about was it the shape? What was it that drew you to this?
It was definitely the shape, yeah.
And so what have you done to it so far?
Well, we actually completely took the frame off, and we had to do a lot of body work. We completely welded in a new floor.
We're here at Huffs Auto, and we're checking out to see what they have on the lot. They always have a lot of great cars. Gary, what do we have here?
We have a 2013 Chrysler 300C. 43,000 miles.
It's got some chrome wheels on there. Looks great. What do we got under the hood? Let's look at that. Oh, look at that. Now we know why it's a wolf in sheep's clothing. Well, with winter approaching, one of the safety features you have on your car, the biggest one I think, is the wiper blade, and you got to make sure that they're in good shape and they're prepared for winter.